Hello and welcome to everyone. In this video, we will discuss a numerical on lift and drag force. Then start with the numerical. A flat plate 1.5 meter by 1.5 meter moves at 50 km per hour in a stationary air of specific weight 1.15 kgf per meter cube. If the coefficient of drag and lift are 0.15 and 0.75 respectively, then we have to determine the lift force, the drag force and the resultant. First, we will analyze what is the given. Then a flat plate of 1.5 meter by 1.5, that means a area of flat plate is given which moves at a velocity of 50 km per hour. Velocity is given in kilometer per hour, so we have to convert it in a meter per second so that it becomes a simple for a analysis. In a stationary air is given as a fluid having a specific weight of air is 1.15 kgf per meter cube. Next one, the coefficient of drag and lift are given. The coefficient of drag, that is CD, is given as 0.15 and coefficient of lift, that is CL, which is given at 0.75. We have to determine the lift force, that is FL, drag force FD and the resultant force, that is resultant of lift and the drag one. So solution for this problem is, we have given area of the plate 1.5 by 1.5 which comes out to be 2.25 meter square. Next, velocity of the plate which is converted into meter per second which is given in kilometer per hour. Specific weight 1.15 kgf per meter cube. We know specific weight W which is equal to rho into G. So we have to find the density which is required for the calculation. So density is equal to W divided by G. 1.15 divided by 9.81 which comes out to be 0.1172 kg per meter cube. We know the coefficient of drag which is given, that is CD, is equal to 0.15 and coefficient of lift which is also given, CL, which is equal to 0.75. Using the equation, we know that the equation to calculate FL, that is the lift force, is equal to 1 by 2, this is divided by 2, so we can say CL into A into rho is the density, into U square by 2. U is the velocity which is given, so 0.75 is the CL into area of the plate is 2.25 into rho is the density of air 0.1172 into U. This answer is comes out to be 13.89 divided, then that is the U, so square of the U divided by 2. Answer comes out to be 19.078 kgf. Then using the another equation to calculate the drag force which is equal to FD is equal to CD into A into rho into U square by 2. Put value of CD, that is 0.15 into 2.25 into 0.1172 into 13.89 bracket square divided by 2. The answer comes out to be this. Now to find the resultant of this lift and the drag force, so we know the formula for resultant, FR is equal to under root of FL square plus FD square. So FL square plus FD square, putting the values and we get the answer, that is 19.455 kgf. Hope you have understood this problem. Thank you.